Hello, welcome back to this new video. Today I will show you how to put your asset creation in the Discord server. Scroll down to Asset Creation. Click on New Post. Now fill in the name of your creation and in description. Now you can post the photos or videos of your asset creation in your own channel. Maybe the developers will see it and like it. But one thing, don't ping the mod or the dev when you are finished. It is not getting in the game faster by pinging the devs. See you later. Got any questions about this? Put in the comments below.